eSIM Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. eSIM is a game changer for mobile users, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's complicated or expensive. The surprising truth is that offers flexible, cost-effective eSIM plans that let you stay connected without a physical SIM. For standard users, eSIM plans start at around $10 per month for 5 GB of data. You won't believe how convenient it is. Activation is instant. You can switch plans digitally, and there's no need to wait for a physical SIM card. For heavier users, larger packages with unlimited calls and text plus 20 GB or more of data are available, costing roughly $25 to $35 per month. Most people get this wrong by only comparing data costs. They overlook the value of multi-device compatibility, international roaming options, and easy plan management through the app. The eSIM also supports dual SIM functionality, which is perfect for business and personal use on the same phone. In conclusion, eSIM pricing is simple, transparent, and flexible. By understanding plan sizes, international coverage, and device compatibility, you go from zero to pro in using eSIM technology effectively while getting the best value for your money.